You can set up your WhatsApp profile picture as the way you want. Click on this camera icon, click on gallery, and I set up US Army. But this is not full. If you see that this is not full. From head to leg, you cannot crop the photo to the point you want, or you cannot move the photo as the way to the direction you want. WhatsApp can't provide you this opportunity. It can just move this a square interface to this position, but you click done. So you cannot change the black background color too, because this is a PNG image, so you cannot change. So what you have to do, you have to use an app. I show you that in the Google Play Store, and the name of this app is whatscrop. Whenever you try or type this app in the Google Play Store, they will show you that. I have already tried and searched that in the Google Play Store, and I have already installed that, so I do not need to reinstall that again. You install that from the Google Play Store. I am just directly showing you this whatscrop. The name of this app is whatscrop, and this is made only for WhatsApp, and this helps you to make your WhatsApp profile picture as the way you want. First, you have to click this top left square icon. I do not need this take photo, I need this select photo. And here you have to select the US Army photo that I have showed you moments ago in my WhatsApp interface, but this time this app will help you as the way you want. Use your two finger and enlarge it. Just drag, hold the point of the head and leg and enlarge the photo, and you can move to anti-clockwise direction like that, to clockwise direction like that, like this opposite. So you can move all this, and you can make it to the position that you want and move here. Check this second option, fit a square, fit circle, fit frame. You understand what they mean by that. Click on this middle option, rotate left, rotate right, align and center. You know what are all these. The main option is here in this pencil icon. You can select shadow, but I do not like that, so I uncheck. You can select white border. I do not like that, so I uncheck. You can select background blurred. This is not also good according to me, but you can select all of this for your WhatsApp profile picture. The main option are these two: background color, background image. Click on background color. You can select any of this color from anywhere. Just click on all of this, but I like white, so I select the default white. Drag the point and click on OK. I love this white. Click the pencil icon again. Background image. This is so important. They provide festival backgrounds like Christmas 2020, winter, autumn, spring, all are seasonal. You can also select pattern from this point. You see, all are wonderful. As this is a military photo of my current profile picture of WhatsApp, so I use one of this jungle like this. This is a jungle background. So this soldier is on the iceberg and this forest, and you can check out all of this. I think this is so perfect. You can check this preview option in the top right corner. Check this. So this soldier is gone, and check and select this preview icon again. So this soldier is appeared in the profile picture. So click on that, and that will be So this is the final. To finalize this process, you have to click on this arrow icon, click on that and click to send to profile. This is directly linked to it. So I close this and this will be directly sent to your WhatsApp application. So you have to check out if this photo is finally selected as the, you have to click on done. So if this photo is finally selected, yes, this is selected with the wonderful background, but I need to enlarge this. You see, this WhatsApp application is automatically opened. I did not open this WhatsApp. They have automatically opened to my WhatsApp application. So I cut that. I do not want this a small photo. I need to make the body more big and I need to remove the background. So what I need to do, I need to get back to whatscrop application again, where I will remove and cancel the background and I will enlarge the body of this soldier to a position that I love. So I need to click on this pencil icon here, background image. In the background image, I have to click on this clear in the top, so the background will be removed. You see, now I can enlarge this photo to the position that I want. Simply use your two fingers, get it down and hold at the head and hold at his chest and enlarge. Drag and enlarge, drag and enlarge. So this weapon, this American flag, these big bullets and grenades and the sunglass, his face, his helmet, everything will appear large in the photo and you can drag to the position you want. Just remember to concentrate in this circle. I make that slightly anti-clockwise, so this photo will be set like that, and you can finalize that by clicking this arrow icon and click on this send to profile. Saving on the photo album whatscrop, setting as profile photo. This will directly redirect it to WhatsApp. Click on done. So using this application whatscrop, you can set up and arrange your WhatsApp profile picture as the way you want. Do you have any question? You can ask me.